the top of his lungs. It's a silly cat who's watching the songbird fly in the sky where he belongs. We only try to catch a sound from the songbird vision, but we are too desperately trying to hold on to our life. The tree is having a party, celebrate the wind forest swinging. To be able to watch from his point of view requires the desire of being. Stars are falling from the sky only when the sun doesn't show. They don't even try to think of any other way to go. Catch a sound from songbird vision. We are too desperately trying to hold on to our money. The freedom to choose is what makes us different, but the choices remain. Leave the trees without leaves, a songbird without a song, a star without a spark, a wind without navigation. We would throw all the money into the sea. It wouldn't be enough to lure the demons out of our ears, so we could listen to the wind from a songbird vision. Lift up our ears to see with a songbird vision. We can only try to catch the sound from the songbird vision. Even in a cage, the bird is free to watch the world from his songbird